How's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Florida, and today we're at Blizzard Beach with my dude Tanner. Are we about to go do some racing water slides?
Yeah.
One of my favorite things to do here. And of course, what else are we doing?
Lazy River.
Lazy River is his main goal, but I'm here to win. I'm here to win.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
but
have
we
a good
start in Lazy River.
Oh, we start in Lazy River?
Yeah.
But there's no lines right now. There's only 2 rows of cars out there. We should get right to it.
Alright.
Alright, let's do it. We're gonna get right into it. We're gonna go to the GoPro, and we only got a couple hours until potential bad weather here.
Yep.
It is Florida in the summertime, so weather's always a possibility, but what are we doing first?
The slide that goes up and down.
Up and down?
The one that goes...
Not like Misadventure Falls or whatever that is? You don't want to do that one first?
Oh,
Go big?
that one's gonna be on. Okay, yeah.
You want to do that first? Okay. Well, we're gonna get into some stuff. Let's get going. There we go. And we're on our way up. How you doing today, sir?
Good.
Good? Yep. First ride of the day, how is it?
Great.
Yeah?
Yep.
You could walk up the hill. You know! That's what I'm saying. You know, we could, but we're not going to. Now, if you are afraid of heights.
Don't go on this.
Yeah, no. You're good though, right? You don't like heights? Yeah? You don't like heights?
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
He hates walking more than the heights. Yeah.
He almost made it.
Mount Gushmore, elevation 90 feet. And here we are. We're gonna go over to Teamboat Springs. 3 to 5 people per raft, so we'll have to ride with some others. There's Everest off in the distance, Animal Kingdom. Yeah, Tanner said no on the Summit Plummet. There's Tower over there, and then off in the distance, right over there, that's Magic Kingdom.
Oh, that's cold.
Oh, Never gets crazy at the end. There it goes. Double drop. Woo! Oh, it's gonna be cold.
Oh God, ready?
Yep. How was it, fish?
Great.
Yeah? Wasn't as fast as we thought it was.
No, but the end was crazy and the start was crazy.
Are we gonna race now?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, we're back on the chairlift again.
Yep.
Time to go race?
Yep.
Over there.
Yep.
Look, it says finish line too.
Oh.
You think you're gonna beat me today?
Nope.
Dude, they got the bucket of ice cream over here. Yeah? No? You hungry?
A little.
All right. Might get some food later. Yeah, pretty quiet crowds though. We were just talking about going to Typhoon Lagoon.
Yep.
What are you gonna do over there? Crazy lazy wave pool?
Crazy wave pool.
Yeah. Let's go, Tanner. Go, 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 go. Here we go. Woo! I love that. Yeah.
I got a lot of.
I'm not gonna like the stairs up ahead, but you know.
I got a lot of water in my face.
Did you get some air time?
Last, yeah.
That last hit, I was off the ground. I literally, I'm
Yeah.
so good. I'd do that all day. Let's go. Ow. Oh, damn. I'm coming, damn it. Ow. Oh my gosh, did we get wrecked?
That was crazy.
I got thrown off the mat halfway down.
I was going so fast.
Yeah.
I almost fell off from that.
Woo! We gotta do that again though.
Yeah.
What do you want to do now?
Lazy river.
Lazy River coming up. All right, no more lazy.
Yeah, but now wait for.
Wait for, oh my gosh, the concrete's so hot. Ow, ow. You okay?
No.
My feet are on fire. Tanner, do a backflip. No, I'm joking, don't do that. No, no, you'll hit your head. I got him. We got him. Oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna take a break now and go feed Tanner. He's hungry. I'm gonna have some chicken tenders. Kid's up in my wallet. Did you find anything?
Yeah.
That's weird. There's nothing in there. Okay. So we're gonna go over, grab him some food, and take a quick break, and then we're gonna go back and do some more racing slides.
Yeah.
Yeah. I decided to check out the chicken, shrimp, and rice, and then Tanner his chicken tenders. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm a huge fan of this. Wish we had this more like this in the park. How's your fries? Oh, that makes sense.
Salty.
They're very salty fries. He's got all his barbecue sauce stacked up. It's not. But the teriyaki sauce that's on this, and the shrimp is cooked. So the shrimp is a huge seller right there. I love this. We're gonna stop by a beach house and look at some merchandise. He forgot to wear his shoes. How's your feet? How's your feet?
Hurt.
I told you to go. Look at all the Stitch stuff. Tanner's a big Stitch fan. Look at that.
Pen?
You got a cup in your pocket.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with them sometimes. That's nice. Had to check out the pins. Blizzard Beach. That's so. Dude, look at the bags of chips over there. I just asked her like $6 or $7 per bag. Don't. You okay? What?
There's a pin that I don't have.
Where? Let me see. Which one? Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, I know. I told you that.
I don't have one.
Okay. You don't have this one either.
It's an Olaf.
Yeah, it's for this place though. It's Blizzard Beach.
Stitch.
Oh my gosh. Should we get these chaser packs, they call them? What is this one?
I don't know.
You can look right here. They're postcards. Yeah. Look at all these. Look, we get the Doritos and the Puffs.
Puffs?
Or we can get $34.99. We can get the beach towels.
$34.99.
That's a whole lot of money. I need this shirt. Look at the bees and the poo. I mean,
You can run in that.
I see poo. It's a tank top. I run in that. I run in the poo shirt with the poo shoes. Now wear the red. No wait, but he wears a red shirt.
But you go.
This, this is a weird window. No, you're not supposed to fit through there. There's no window. See, it's open. Yeah. If you forgot sunscreen or need to get some here, they sell $13.99 for bottles, and they got the sticks there, $9.99 for after sun soothing, and then this one over here for $14.99. So plenty of options if you forgot or need some. There we go. We got a magnet here. Summit Plummet Snow Much Fun at Blizzard Beach. That one is $16.99. You get the Stitch magnet on your fridge in your room.
My mini fridge?
Yeah, your mini fridge. Yeah, the mini fridge you're getting for Christmas that you keep insisting you must have. Yes. When did this poo shirt come out?
Sweet, hungry, happy, silly, loving.
I'm the hungry dancing.
I think I'm hungry.
See what they did? The sweet bear, hungry bear, happy bear.
Oh,
Silly bear, loving bear.
I think I'm
Yes.
hungry and silly.
You're hungry and silly?
Yeah.
I think you're sleepy too, but that wasn't an option.
Yeah, I don't have a sleepy bear.
Starting to get a little busier here. A lot more people. We're probably just gonna hit the water slides a couple more. Gotta get down to a couple more racing slides. And then I think we're gonna call it, huh?
Call it a day.
You tired?
Yeah.
Yeah, the stairs are wiping them out. Are you sleeping? Are you tired?
I'm talking, man.
Yeah, he's tired. You'll be fine. Couple more runs. You're going down, Tanner. You ain't winning this time.
Yeah.
I know. I mean, you didn't win last time either, but you know what I mean. Now he's getting me. He's getting me. That's right. Who took that lead right there at the end?
You.
That's right.
I can't always push off. I'm always
The
like.
push-off's not important. It's how you control your...
I mean, yeah, but you were already down at like the second one by the time I pushed. All the way up.
Here we go. There we go. Oh, I got rolled. I landed right in my arm into my ribs.
Oh, we only got one more. Just
Woo!
one more.
Man, you go down that fast.
Just one more.
Yeah. That was good, though.
One more.
I was hauling. I was so in front of you.
Four more.
You sure you want to do that again?
Yeah, just one.
I want to redeem myself.
We're gonna go on the.
All right, one more
speed
racing?
one.
Okay. Man, I got rolled on the last one. Woo! The stairs. Last one, Tanner. You got this? I'm gonna win so good. Yeah. Oh man, I body checked myself in the slide in there. Woo! I was going for like speed, and I was like doing really good. I got hit in the face with a bunch of water, and I couldn't see the corner, and I just wrecked myself sideways into it. Full body weight, just was like, oh. Tanner Did pretty good on that last water slide though. You got third?
Yeah.
I don't lose. I don't. You just gotta learn how to like use your core, lift your body, fly. Oh man.
What's one tip to help me get better? Fly.
That was a lot of fun. Well, I think that's gonna be it for us today. He's tired. I'm pretty sure I just crushed my ribs. Yeah?
Yep.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
Oh, it was so much fun. I'll do it again. I gotta get better at the slides. Woo! I'm gonna feel that later. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of us hanging out here at Blizzard Beach. I was really impressed with the chicken and shrimp with rice.
Oh.
That was good. He thought the
barbecue sauce is spicy.
Is barbecue sauce spicy? Spicy. Bleh.
Yeah.
Words. And the teriyaki sauce was delicious.
Words are hard.
Words are hard, that's right. But I hope you guys enjoyed our day here at Blizzard Beach. If you did, hit that like button and of course subscribe to the channel. Love the support. It's free to do. What? At no cost to you. Come back and watch.
Yep, 0.00 cents.
Math. And if you guys are looking for like Typhoon Lagoon and some other water parks, me and Tanner will be heading there soon. So thanks for watching, everybody.
I'll see you next time.
Ow.